Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add motion blur in Snapseed. If you don't know how to add motion blur in Snapseed, I'm going to show you an easy way to do it. So without any further ado, let's get into it. At first, open the Snapseed app. Now, click here to choose the photo that you want to add motion blur to. For now, I'll choose this photo. Now to add the motion blur, what you can do is at first click on Tools and choose the Healing and select the subject that you want to remove from your photo. Heal the screen. Now what you have to do is click here to save changes. Now to the part that is adding motion blur. Click on Tools at the bottom menu. Click on Perspective. And now select the scale and tilt it right. Click here to save changes and repeat the process until you get the desired motion blur. And once you're happy with the motion blur, click here to save changes. Now we'll have to add the subject. To do that, click on Tools. Scroll a bit and you'll see double exposure. Click on it. Click here to add the photo. This was the photo. Now arrange the photo accordingly. And once you're happy, click here to save changes. As you can see, the motion blur is not very visible. Now to make it better, what you can do is click here and go to View Edits. Now click on double exposure and click here to edit it. Now simply what you can do is brush over the part that you want in the photo, just like this. You can also remove the part that you don't want in the photo by simply decreasing the value of the double exposure here. And once you're happy with the photo, click here to save changes. And as you can see, we have added motion blur in Snapseed. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this.